Hi there, I'm Alex Cunningham, and I'll walk you through this Notion tutorial step by step. Let's jump right in.
Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, I'm going to walk you through how to check word count in Notion using a nifty formula. If you've ever wanted to quickly see exactly how many words you've written in a database, whether that's for a blog post, a newsletter draft, or maybe a study note, you're in the right place. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know how to effortlessly display word counts alongside your text in Notion, which can be super helpful for keeping track of your writing goals or just making sure you stay concise. So let's dive right in and get you set up. All right, the first thing we need is a word count formula. Don't worry, you won't have to write it from scratch. I'll actually put the exact formula in the video description so you can just copy and paste it later. Before we move ahead, just a quick note. You'll want to make sure that you update the formula so it matches the name of your own text property in Notion. In Notion databases, each property or column has a unique name. If your text column is called content or note, you'll need to swap that in the formula instead of whatever default name it might have. This part is important because if the formula tries to reference a property name that doesn't exist in your database, it's not going to work. So double check those names to save yourself a headache later. Now, let's actually get a database going. I already have one set up here, but you can follow along by creating a fresh database in Notion. Click Add a new database from the sidebar or create an inline table, whatever feels easier for you. The key thing is, inside your database, you'll need to add two properties. The first is a text property, and the second is a formula property. The text property is where you'll type or paste the writing you want to count. This could be an article, a paragraph, or even just a sentence. When creating the text property, you can name it anything you like. Just try to keep it clear, like draft or content. Next, add the formula property. This is the magic part that'll automatically count how many words you've typed in your text property. Click the plus to add a new property, set its type to formula, and then drop in the formula I gave you. If you're thinking, what does this formula actually do? Let me explain for a second. It's going to scan the content of your text property, break it up wherever there's a space, and count up those pieces as words. It's a bit like counting marbles in a line. The formula finds each gap and tallies up how many marbles, words, you have. And again, make sure the property name inside the formula matches exactly with your text property. Notion formulas are pretty picky about spelling and capitalization. Once your properties are set, just type a word or sentence into your text property and watch as the formula property instantly shows the word count. Try a few examples. Type a short phrase, then a longer paragraph, and you'll see the number update in real time. If it doesn't, don't stress. Double check that the property names match and make sure you've pasted the formula correctly. This setup works for any type of writing. Whether you're jotting down ideas, tracking character counts for essays, or even organizing tasks with written descriptions. And that's really all there is to it. You now have an automated word count tracker inside Notion. Super useful for university work, freelance writing, or just keeping yourself on track with goals. If you found this tutorial helpful, please hit that like button. It helps the channel grow. And if you have any questions or run into any hiccups setting up your own word counter, drop your question in the comments. I check them regularly and love helping people sort things out. Don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss out on more practical Notion tips and productivity tutorials. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.